Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. If you're new, welcome in. It is lovely to have you. Today we're going to be talking about how Prop 22 in California has implemented change for Doordash Pay. Now, it's implemented change for a lot of different things, including insurance, the amount of time you could work in a day, stuff like that. Now I'm gotta adjust it again. But anyways, today we're going to be looking at pay in specific and how Prop 22 has changed that. Now, let's look at what Prop 22 in California is. It was a measure in 2020 that wanted to make drivers employees instead of independent contractors. Wow, that was a mouthful. So, employees get certain benefits like insurance, like minimum wage, and Prop 22 wanted to ensure that. Although Prop 22 didn't pass, Doordash implemented certain changes anyways. I'm not sure why. But let's dive right into those changes. Now, Doordash pays 120% of minimum wage to their workers as base pay. And minimum wage in California is $12. So 120% of minimum wage is $14.40. Did I do that in my head or did I do it on a calculator? I'll never know. So Doordash's base pay essentially is $14.40. So if you earn that much in an hour, you're good. You don't get adjustment pay. But if you earn less than that in an hour, you will get adjustment pay to the point where you get $14.40 in an hour. And here is the best parts. Tips don't count toward base pay. So say you earn $18 in an hour, but you get $5 in tips and $13 from the pay. So essentially that means you only got $13 an hour in base pay that hour. So you're gonna get an additional $1.40 to meet that $14.40 requirement. In addition to this, you're also gonna get 30 cents per mile traveled. This is really nice because now essentially Doordash pays for gas and oil changes in your car. It doesn't pay for all the wear like tire wear, shock wear, all that crazy types of things, type of stuff, but it does pay for gas essentially. Now, every mile you travel, you get 30 cents, and even the worst cars don't require more than like 10 cents per mile traveled. So gas is completely covered with this mile traveled pay. So let me go ahead and show you guys how much I earned with adjustment pay in an hour and 18 minutes. So here we go. The top amount, wow, where did that come from? The top amount is base pay, and I earned $16 in base pay in an hour and 18 minutes. So I didn't even reach the minimum wage requirement. So I earned essentially about $13.20 an hour in base pay, and I earned $15 in tips. And once again, this doesn't count toward the minimum wage thing. So I earned a total of $31 in an hour and 18 minutes of dash time. This wasn't even active time. The active time was an hour and 9 minutes. So I wasn't active that much at all. I did 4 deliveries and I earned $31. But I've earned Doordash pay adjustment as well. And I earned $6.64 in adjustment pay. We took my pay up to $37.64 in an hour and 15 minutes. And although this isn't the most I've earned in an hour and 18 minutes, it definitely does help with my earnings. It helps me pay for gas, and it gives me a little bit more to put in my pocket. Now, Prop 22 has changed many things, including insurance and the amount of time you could work in a day, and I'll talk about all that. So if you guys are looking for a video explaining that as well, definitely subscribe, hit that thumbs up button, and I'll try to put out a video for that as soon as I can. But anyways guys, I hope you guys found this video informative. If you're a Dasher in California, this should greatly assist you. If you're not, I'm not sure what other states are doing, how it works in other states, but hopefully it assists you as well. But anyways, I hope you guys have an amazing day, and I will see you guys in my next video.